Okay, you guys, here's another live trade, as you can see right here, that I'm into. And I just got into it, and you can see the date is right here, January 7th, 2021. And you can clearly see the arrow came in, everything lines up. Very, very simple trade. Okay, and this is on the AUD USD 30-minute time frame. So go ahead and follow me with this one, because whether you see this today or even a year from now, again, the date is right here. You can also see it right here where it says January 7th per the MT4 date right here. That matches that. And this is the AUD 30. I'm sorry, AUD USD on the 30-minute time frame. So the reason why I mentioned this is so that you can clearly see it for yourself and go back and check whether the simplicity system actually is telling the truth or not. Okay, and let me go ahead and move this stop loss up here. I like to give it a comfortable bit of room. You'll learn this when you join. Give it some room. Okay, don't put these what I call tight butt stop losses. Give it a little bit of room, and if you need to, which is a blessing as you're watching this, most people lose trades because their stop loss get hit, and then the price action goes exactly where you knew it was going to go. So what I teach is to move your stop loss comfortably out of the way so that you're not like the general public of 90% of people or 80% of people who lose in Forex. They typically lose because their stop loss is just way too tight. And so the powers that be that runs the Forex market actually knows where your stop loss is because they know the psychology of the average trader, that the average trader like to use tight butt stop losses. And so therefore that's the problem. So you'll learn proper, appropriate place to put your stop loss. Okay, so that's why I'm moving mine up clearly out of the way. So if they want to come back and retest the area up here, that's fine. It still won't bother my stop loss before they make the drop. Because quite often, if you go back on your own charts, you'll clearly see, and this is for market makers method people, if you can see this right here, here's the okay, you can clearly see this. And that's why I like simplicity, because I used to study market makers method for a couple of years, and I realized that because it had gotten so popular, what happened was is that they would actually tap people out on purpose because they knew about where you would put your stop loss. With simplicity, I no longer needed to do the market makers marking up my charts, trying to find those M's and W's, double tops, double bottoms, and blah, blah, blah. This system has several strategies built in it in mind, and one of them is the market makers method. You can clearly see this. But depending on how you set your trend filter, because this is adjustable, it's actually an algorithm built into it, so it's not just a standard trend line. It has an algorithm built into it to read and filter out a lot of noise, okay? And that's how we reduce our losses in the market. So as you can clearly see, here's the red arrow. This, as you can see, it's been green all this time. From here, see, it was green as a confirmation. The article trend line said it was good to go. But now you can see that red smiley face turn red here. Red arrow, red smiley face, red smiley faces, red smiley faces. And you'll learn how we design these. These are coded a certain way. So you'll learn how to use those. But that's that, okay? So I got my stop loss in place, comfortably out of the way. And, if you need to, always learn to adjust your lot size. Don't be greedy, okay? Because a lot of you guys are using big lot size. I need to flip this account and use big lot sizes with tight stop losses, and then they hit your stop loss and you lost the whole account. Reduce your lot size and get a comfortable stop loss where it's out of the common areas of where the market makers can easily target you. And then you'll see you'll win more trades. That alone was a free little nugget. So anyway, I'm going to pause this as it stands around on my new entry. And we'll come back and see how it goes. Well, we are back. And look at here, 21 pips so far and still going down. Told you, simplicity is one of the most simple systems once you learn how to use it. When to use your tools. Come and get this simplicity system and come to class. It comes with free classes, so I can teach you. It looks real simple, but when you learn how to use it, it's very powerful. Okay, you guys? All right.